Hello, good morning students. In previous class we have studied what? Let us practice 3.12 and 3.13. If you are getting any kind of difficulties while solving the example, then please contact with me. Okay? If any example, if you are not understanding that one at that time. Now, today we will study what? Reciprocal of a fraction. What do you mean by reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal of the fraction a by b. Here given fraction which one? A by b is just we have to interchange there. In place of numerator we have to take denominator, and in place of denominator we have to take what? Numerator. A by b is b by a. What is the reciprocal of a by b? Reciprocal of the fraction a by b is b by a. Just opposite we have to do. And the note a is not equal to 0, means the value of a should not be equal to 0 at any cost. If we are getting here value of a 0, then it will be not the fraction. Okay, so that's why you have to keep in mind the value of a numerator should not be equal to what? 0. Now here given example, give the reciprocal of two examples, a 2 by 5 and b 5 by 11. So first example, reciprocal of the fraction 2 by 5 is just you have to reverse that, means opposite. In place of 2 you have to take 5, and in place of 5 you have to take what? 2. So reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2, and in the same way reciprocal of 5 by 11 is 5 by 11 is 11 by 5. Understood? This, note down this one. Now we have to study what? Division of fraction. This is the last operation of the fraction. Already we have studied what? Addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction. Now we have to study last fraction. Which one? Division of what? Fraction. This is the last type of fraction. Division of fraction. Case 1. Here three cases are there. First case, division of a whole number by a fraction. Division of a whole number. We can divide a whole number by a fraction. A whole number or a whole number can be divided. A whole number can be divided by a fraction. Suppose x is a whole number divided by, this is the symbol of divide, and fraction is a by b. Whole number divided by fraction equal to x. Now this divide sign, we can change this divide sign in place of divide sign I am taking here multiplication sign. But before taking multiplication sign you have to take reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of a by b? Before changing the sign you have to take what? Reciprocal. Then only we can change the sign. X divided by a by b given here equal to x into reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Understood? Reciprocal of a by b is b by a. That's why we have changes here. Change the sign. Now x into b, numerator multiplication. X into b whole divided by a. Understood? X divided by a by b, you have to keep in mind x into, take reciprocal a by b is b by a equal to x into b divided by a. This formula you have to keep in mind. Okay, to divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply. What we have done here? We multiply the whole number. We multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the given fraction. To divide a whole number by a fraction, what we have done here? We multiply the whole number, this whole number, by the reciprocal of the given fraction. Understood? Now example look at. Divide 3. This is the symbol of divide. 3 divided by 4 by 17. 3 is whole number. 4 by 17 is fraction. Now 3 divided by 4 by 7. So here what you have to take? Change the sign. In place of divide you have to take what? Into. Now take reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 17? 17 by 4. Just you have to take reciprocal. Understood? Now 3 into 17. What you have to do? 3 into 17 divided by 3 into 17 divided by what? 4. Now do here multiplication. 17 3s are 17 into 3. 3 7s are 21. Okay, carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 51. 51 by denominator what? 4. So understood? This is the answer. 51 by 4. So note down this one. Now case 2 look at division of a fraction number by a whole number. If one fractional number is given and other one is whole number is given, a fractional number can be divided by a whole number. For example, here given, let a by b is a fraction. This is the symbol of divide. Divided by what? X. So what to do? Here one step you have to take. A by b divided by x given. Here below x nothing means what you have to take? Below x nothing means you have to take what? 1. Nothing means every number has, suppose 2 is given, there below denominator should be always 1. Okay, so we have taken here below x this whole number, this is x means whole number. I have to here 1. Understood? Now, next step what you have to do? You have to write this number, this fraction as it is. Now, change the sign. In place of divide, we have to take x, means into. Now take the reciprocal of x by 1. What is the reciprocal x by 1? 1 by x. Understood this step? A by b divided by x by 1 equal to a by b into reciprocal of x by 1 is 1 by x. Okay. Now a into 1. A into 1 is a. And b into x, here denominator b into x. Understood? So a divided by b, a by b divided by x equal to, final answer we are getting a divided by b into x. Understood this one? So to divide a fractional number by a whole number, multiply the fraction number by the reciprocal of the whole number. To divide a what? Fractional number by a what? Whole number. Multiply the fractional number by the reciprocal of the whole number. This one. So now example look at. Divide 4 by 7 divided by 3. Solution 4 by 7 divided by 3. Here 4 by, write one sentence again. 4 by 7 divided by, below this whole number nothing means you have to take what? 1. How 1 come? Because after in every whole number, only one number is given, we can take that, below that 1, below that number as 1. 3 by 1 means only 3 only. This 2 by 1 means we are getting 2 only answer. So in the same way 3 by 1 means 3 only. For our convenience, we are writing here 1. Okay. Now 4 by 7, take reciprocal. So into, what is the reciprocal of 3 by 1? 1 by 3. Understood this? 1 by 3. Now 4 into 1. 4 into 1 and here 7 into 3. 7 into what? 3. Now 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now 7 threes are 21. If it is possible to convert into lowest term, then we can convert, otherwise let it be. So 4 by, in 2 stable we are getting 4, but in 2 stable we are not getting 21. In 3 stable we are getting 21, but in 3 stable we are not getting 4. So let it be. So 4 by 21 is the answer. So understood? So note down this one. Now case number third. Case third, division of a fraction number by a fraction number. Division of a fraction by a fraction. Okay. If both numbers were in fraction, then at that time how to solve the given example. A fraction number can be divided by a fraction number. For example, here given a by b. Fraction, which fraction given here? A by b. And here divided by c by d. Then here how to do? Write this fraction as it is, a by b, first fraction. Okay. A by what? B, as it is, first fraction. Now change the sign. Into, take the reciprocal of c by d. What is the reciprocal of c by d? D by c. Understood this? Into, and change the take reciprocal. Now a into d. Now numerator multiplication. A into d divided by b into what? C. B into what? C. Understood? To divide a fraction number by a fraction number. Okay. To divide a fraction number by what? Fraction number. We multiply the fraction number. We multiply the fractional number by the reciprocal of the fractional number, by the second fractional number, by the reciprocal of second, this one, by the reciprocal of the fractional number. Understood? Now example given here. Divide 3 by 7 by 4 by 5. 3 by 7, this is the symbol of divide. 4 by 5 as it is. Question. Okay. Now 3 by 7 write as it is. 3 by 7 first fraction. Now take the reciprocal of this number. So into, what is the reciprocal of second fraction? 4 by 5 is, reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. Understood? Now came here a by b into c by d, this way. Now what we have to do? 3 a into d, 3 into 5, 3 into what? 5 divided by b into c. B means 7 and d means 4. 7 into 4. Understood this step? Now 3 5s are how much? 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now 7 4s are 28. So 15 by 28 is the answer. Understood? 15 by 28. So note down this one. Now example looked at. Divide 1 2 by 9 by 2 by 3. 1 2 by 9. Divide means this is the symbol of divide. 2 by 3. Now actually 1 2 by 9 means which type of fraction? This is mixed fraction. 1 2 by the whole number and this fraction. Whole number plus fraction equal to mixed fraction. So at first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 1 into 9. Now I am converting here 1 into 9 plus 2 divided by what? 9. Remaining thing as it is, divided by 2 by 3. First we will solve this one. we are going to convert 1 2 by 9 into improper fraction. Now 1 into 9, 1 into 9, 9. Understood this? 9 plus 2 divided by 9 whole again divided by 2 by 3. Okay. Now 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 how much? 11. 11 by what? 9. Now divided by 2 by 3. Now just you have to take, now here came fraction a by b divided by c by d. Different. Now how to do? Write as it is 11 by 9. Change the sign into, if we are changing the sign, you have to take reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. Understood? Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now 11 into 3. 11 into what? 3 divided by 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Okay. Now 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. 9 2s are 18. Now look at this 33 and 18 getting in a 2's table. We are not getting here this 33. This 33 is not divisible by 2, but it can be divisible by 3. If we are dividing 33 by 3, we are getting remainder 0. In the same way, in 3's table we are getting 18 also. So we can cancel. We have to convert into lowest term. Now 3 how? Look at 3 into 11. 3 into 11 33. Now 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. So in both same number we are getting table. In 3's table we are getting both numbers. That's why. Now cancel this 3 and 3. Now what left here? 11 by 6. 11 by 6, or it is given in mixed number now. So we can convert that one mixed number also. How? Divide this 11 by 6. Now 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. Okay, 6 ones are 6. Now 11 minus 6, what? 5. 11 minus 6, 5. So 1, 5 by 6. So we can write 1, what? 5 by 6. So this is the mixed number. So understood? So note down this one. Now we are going to study more on fractions. Here given example. There are 6 bags. How many bags total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diagram is given. 6 bags. Okay. Each bag has 5 ball. Each मतलब एक बैग में, हर एक बैग में 5 बॉल रखे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. Second, third also bag 5. Fourth bag 5. Sixth, fifth bag also. How many balls? 5, and sixth bag also 5 balls are there. Total means total bags are there 6, and each bag has 5 ball. Here given. Now here what it is asked, how many balls will 1/3, here fraction given, what it is given fraction, 1/3, okay, of this bag have. Here we have to find how many balls with 1/3 of this bag have. So look at what is given. There are 6 bags, each bag has 5 balls. Number of balls in each मतलब 1. एक बैग में कितने हैं? 5 बॉल है. Number of balls in one bag equal to 5 given. Therefore ऐसी बैग कितने हैं? 6 है. Number of balls in 6 bag equal to what we have to do? 6 into 5. Total ball कितने हो गए? 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, और 6 into 5. 6 क्या है? बैग्स है, और एक बैग में कितने बॉल्स रखे हैं? 5. तो हमें 6 बॉल बैग्स में कितने बॉल से फाइंड करना है, तो 6 into 5. 6 5 are 30. ओके. नाउ अभी क्या दिया है? 1/3 ऑफ 1/3 ऑफ एंड दिस बैग, यानी इस बैग में टोटल बॉल्स कितने हैं? 30. वो लिखना है 30. समझ में आया? 1/3 ऑफ 30. नाउ 1/3. ओके. ये फ्रैक्शन में लिखा है, उसको तुम्हें इसमें लिखना है. 1/3 स्पेलिंग लिखा है, उसको फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है. 1 ऊपर 1 आएगा और नीचे क्या आएगा? 3. न्यूमरेटर में 1 और डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? 3. क्योंकि 1/3 लिखा है, इसलिए 1/3 आप यानी देना है आपको इंटू 30. समझ में आया? यहाँ तक ये 30 कहाँ से आया? जितने बॉल्स है बैग में उतना 30 आया. फिर 1/3 पूछा है. 1/3 ऑफ दिस बैग में क्या था? बॉल थे. टोटल बॉल 30. 1/3 ऑफ 30. ओके. नाउ 1/3 into of means into, you have to give operation by 30. Understood up to here? Now note down and first this one. Now look at up to here over 1/3 into 30. Below 30 nothing means below 30 not given here any number. So below 30 we can take what? 1. Okay, 30 divided by 1, 30 by 1 means 30 only. Okay, for our convenience. Now a by b into c by d. Here no need of taking reciprocal. Where we have to take reciprocal? When it is given divide sign. At that time only we have to take reciprocal. Otherwise not. Now 1 into 30. What we have to do? A by b into c by d. 1 into what? 30 divided by 3 into 1. 3 into what? 1. Now 1 into 30. 30 ones are 30. 3 ones are 3. Now this 30 and 3 is getting cancellation in 3's table. Okay. Now 3 tens are 30. In the same way, 3 ones are 3. Now same number, common number, 3 3 get cancelled. Now what left here? Here what left? So we can write, I will rub this one over only. Now I am going to rub this one. Okay. Now 10 by 1. What left here? 10 by 1. 10 by 1 means what? 10 only. So what is the answer? Here we are getting here 10. Hence, at last what it is asked? How many balls will 1/3 of this bag have? Hence, how many balls? Hence 10 balls. 10 balls will 1/3 of this bag have. Of this what? Of this bags have. Understood? We have to solve that one. We have to do calculation there. So in this way we have to find the answer. In second example also, this is given in page number 310. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Now second one, what is given? There are 8 packets of paint brush. This is paint brush. Okay. Each packet has 2 paint brush and एक पैकेट यानी ये पेंट ब्रशेस है पैकेट में और एक पैकेट में 2 ब्रश है. ठीक है. ऐसे पैकेट कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 पैकेट. देयर आर 8 पैकेट्स ऑफ पेंट ब्रश. एक पैकेट में 2 है पेंट ब्रशेस, तो फिर 8 पैकेट में कितना होगा? 8 2 जार 16. समझ में आया? 16 ब्रशेस है टोटल. फिर यह पूछा हाउ मेनी पेंट ब्रशेस विल हाफ ऑफ दिस पैकेट हाफ. हाफ यानी क्या लिखा है? हाफ मतलब क्या है? उसमें कैसा लिखना है? 1/2 आप टोटल ब्रशेस कितने हैं? देखो वहां पर टोटल ब्रशेस काउंट करने दो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. आप 16. इसके बाद आपको ये इस ढंग से करना है. 1/2 आप यानी इंटू 16/1. ठीक है. 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. 16 1 are 16. 16 divided by 2 means what? क्या 8 आएगा उसका आंसर. हाउ मेनी हाफ पूछा है, यानी टोटल 16 के आधे कितने आएंगे उसमें हाफ. समझ में आया? उसी ढंग से आप यहाँ की रिंग्स दिया है. की रिंग, एक की रिंग में 3 है तो बाकी 8 की रिंग में कितना होगा? 8 3 are 24. ठीक है. देयर आर 8 की रिंग्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. एक की रिंग में 3 ये है कीज है, चाबियां है. ठीक है. एक इसमें तो फिर 8 इसमें कितना होगा? 8 3 are 24. 1/4. 1/4 यानी क्या लिखेंगे हम? 1/4. 1/4. उसी ढंग से 2/3 यानी 2/3 एंड 3/4 मतलब 3/4. वर्ड में दिया है वो लिखा है वो फ्रैक्शन, उसको फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है. सो अंडरस्टूड दैट वन. So in this way all diagrams you have to make and do little calculation in this. You will get the answer. Okay. So in this way we have completed this lesson. This lesson means lesson number, which lesson number? 3rd. In next period we will study exercise, multiple choice question, true or false, fill in the blanks, all that things we will study. Okay, note down this one. Work textbook page number 310. Let us practice 3.14. 1 to 6. Last one example already I explained 6th one. 1 to 5 only you have to do. Okay, total given 6. लास्ट वाला मिक्स्ड वाला था वो मैंने करके दिया. और बाकी का क्या करना, क्या पूछा था उसमें क्वेश्चन क्या है? डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग 2 by 3/7. ये करके दिया मैंने इजी वाले. 2 डिवाइड बाय 3/7 ऐसा है उसका मतलब. अभी क्या करना है? 2 into इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेना है. 3/7 का 7/3. ओके. नाउ 2 into 7. 2 into 7 divided by 3. 2 7s are 14. 14 divided by 3. Over answer. In this way you have to find you have to solve total. How many question given? Total I think 8 given here. Let us practice 3.14. Total example given 1 to 8. 1 to what? 8. So 8th one I solved. Okay. Only 7 example you have to do like this. Now more and page number 310 same page number and 311 also. What it is given? More on fractions. One example, first one I explained that bags, each bag there are 6 bags like that. No, in the same way you have to do that second, third, fourth and 5. That diagram also given. You have to make that diagram also. Understood? Second, third, fourth and 5th you have to do. So try to complete this exercise 3.14 1 to 8 example and this more on fraction, which is example second, third, fourth and 5th.